Hi everyone, I'm Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm finally posting this. In this video, I will share with you my June favorites, everything that I liked in June. Not everything, well, material things. So I will tell you my favorite skincare, my favorite makeup, outfits, TV shows, songs. Yeah, that's about it. I know I've missed a few of these in the past. You know what? Live in the moment. Let's talk about present because I'm here right now and I'm talking to you. I don't have anything else to say except the fact that I'm here, I'm back, and I'm gonna discuss with you my June favorites. So let's start the video already. In my skincare favorites, I have some interesting things for you. The first thing is this sunscreen from Beauty of Joseon. I've already kind of finished it halfway through. This is one of the best sunscreens I have ever used. I got it from Macaroon. You can also find it on Myntra Beauty. It's a chemical sunscreen. That means it does not make a layer on your skin to protect you from to protect you from the sun. Instead, it has certain chemicals that absorb into your skin and they absorb the sun rays and reflect them back or something like that, but it doesn't make that kind of layer, so there is no way it can form a white cast. It's SPF 50 and PA++++. To be honest, right now I've not applied a foundation. I've just applied concealer and some blush. So this is my skin right now. It looks pretty fine, and this is the sunscreen I use literally every morning. The texture is so lightweight and watery, and this kind of leaves like a glow shine kind of thing on your face, which tones down after a little while, so the shine doesn't stay forever. It has rice and probiotics, so it automatically is also kind of like skincare. The rice water gives a lot of brightness to your skin. I'm gonna be purchasing it forever until I find a better sunscreen. My next favorite product is also from Beauty of Joseon. It's the Dynasty cream. This is also something that I apply regularly. It has a beautiful creamy texture and it leaves your skin so soft and glowy, and you actually start seeing the results in like 3 or 4 days. This is also available on Myntra Beauty. I ordered it on Macaron. This cream has so many oils, so many different ingredients. Main ingredients in it are niacinamide and squalane, both of which are so good for your skin. It also has a lot of natural ingredients like rice bran, ginseng, honey, corn milk. It makes your skin look so healthy so fast. As I also love their packaging, especially the sunscreen's packaging is so nice and lightweight. You can actually carry it everywhere you go. My next skincare favorite is this Beija Flor Elastic Cream from Sol de Janeiro. It's so tiny. This is actually a free sample that I got from Nykaa. I am glad they gave it to me because this is actually really good. I'm gonna get the bigger one for sure. I am kind of saving this for travel now, but it's almost like done. It's called Elastic Cream and it does make your skin bouncy and elastic, and it smells so great. It has kaka'i oil and plant collagen that gives similar results to retinol. So with daily use, your skin becomes more and more soft, bouncy and fluffy. If you like sweet, tropical, coconutty smells, this is one of those. It actually came free with the Sol de Janeiro body mist in the number 68, the Brazilian crushed cherryosa. This also I use every single day. When you combine these, like apply this moisturizer and then spray this over it, wow, the fragrance, like you smell like a freaking pina colada. And this body mist is my last skincare favorite from June. It contains Brazilian jasmine and pink dragon fruit, so it's a fruity and floral mix. This combo is just so divine, so good for your skin, plus you keep smelling amazing. Now moving on to my makeup favorites from June. My first makeup favorite is this blush from Simply Numb. It's their Velvet Cream Magic blush in the shade Sister from Another Mister. So quirky. First of all, I really like their packaging. I think it's very cute, very chic. This blush is actually a salmon pink shade. Simply Numb blush formulas are super amazing, super creamy. They blend so well, look very natural on your skin. I highly recommend these blushes. You should try one of these for sure. I'm so glad I tried them and like I love My next favorite is this L'Oreal's Air Volume Mascara. I'll be honest with you, I got this for free as brand promotion. Since the day I've tried it, I am shocked. Like, I did not expect so much potential from a L'Oreal mascara, to be honest. First of all, the packaging is super cute. It looks like it's a squeezy tube, but it's not. It's actually nice plastic. Plus, it has this different formula. It's an easy waterproof mascara. That means it is a waterproof mascara. It won't go away with sweat or if you wash your face, but it will come off if you wash it with warm water and micellar water, cleansing balm, whatever. But it does not come off with normal water, rain, or tears and sweat. Its formula and texture is very similar to other waterproof mascaras, but I love the fact that it's so easy to come off. There are many mascaras which are waterproof and you have to really rub micellar water or cleansing balm and just to remove them, but this one comes off just so easily. It gives so much volume to your lashes, so much lift. My lashes look so fluttery and amazing, and this mascara is kind of about to finish, so I am definitely gonna repurchase this one. It's one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. My next favorite is also from L'Oreal Paris. It is this chiffon lipstick in the shade I Lose Out. I never imagined that I would finish a lipstick so that I have to buy another one. Also, one of the reasons is that you have to reapply it at least 2 to 3 times when you wear it, but the texture, the color is to die for. If I'm being really honest with you, I do not prefer those lipsticks which stay on your lips for the whole day, because by the end of some hours they start cracking and hurting your lips at one point. I really like those lipsticks which it's okay to reapply, but they actually look fresh and good every time you reapply them. So L'Oreal Paris chiffon lipstick in the shade I Lose Up is one of my favorite lipsticks ever. This one also I got for free as a brand deal. I am just so grateful that I get to try new things that I personally would have never found out on my own. This shade is a pinkish nude. I mostly use it with natural simple makeup. The texture is very cloudy, very soft and fluffy, smooth like butter, criminal undercover. When this finishes, I'm gonna use this one because I cannot get rid of this lipstick. Like, this will be my forever color, It is also transfer proof. It wears off in like 5 to 6 hours, which is a very good thing, and it doesn't feel like anything on your lips. Super comfortable lipstick, 120% recommend. Moving on to my favorite outfits of the month. The first one I am literally wearing right now, this beautiful blue striped shirt. I got this from Turkey in April, and this is one of the best items of clothing I own, literally. I got it from a brand called Mavi. Mavi is one of the best brands I have seen in Turkey, actually. Mavi and Koton, they are beautiful collection, amazing brands, amazing quality also. This shirt is a size XS. It still fits me perfectly. I think it's an oversized fit. The color is so good. I've lately been really obsessed with blue and shirts. I really like it, and I love how it looks on me. Even this color, how this color looks on me, I love it. Next are my Birkenstocks, which I also got from Turkey. You can actually find them in India as well, but I was in Turkey like 3 weeks ago and I really needed slippers because I forgot mine, so I went to Birkenstock and got these beautiful lavender Birkenstocks. I think Birkenstocks need no introduction. They are super duper comfy, super walkable, very versatile, look great with anything. I kind of didn't want to bring shoes on my bed, but anything for you guys. My size is 36, by the way, the smallest they have. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this sole inside has taken the shape of my foot. That's why they're so comfortable. When you wear them at least like for maybe 2 weeks, they kind of take the shape of your feet. With time, it just becomes so good, and they're super comfortable to walk. I can walk miles in these sandals. I've even heard people's Birkins last for 12 plus years, and those are literally the only footwear I've been wearing all summer. And the last one are actually 3 t-shirts from H&M. I really want to talk about the quality of these t-shirts. They are just so freaking lightweight. These are so light, the air keeps flowing through in and out. I loved this one so much. I got 2 more. I have it in grey, then I have it in blue color as well, and I also have it in white. perfect. They're all large size. I think this one is XL. Yeah, the blue one is XL. The other ones are large because they are actually fitted t-shirts, but I wanted loose ones because I was feeling really hot. Coming on to my favorite part of the video, my favorite songs. I always love to share them. This whole month I have been really extremely obsessed with two songs. One is Irade by Abdul Hanan and Rovalio, and the other one is Chidiya by Villain. Irade is such a fun, pretty song. Like, it's just so cute. It's so fun, summery, and such nostalgic vibe to this song. I'm pretty sure you've heard it and you also like it. I already know that. I also learned to play this on my ukulele. Maybe I'll play this for you someday. Maybe I'll play it right now. Oh guys, my nails are a little long, so it might sound bad, but okay. कैसे कहूँ मैं तुमसा कोई ना है, तेरे आस पास रहूँ दिल वीरान है, जज्बात मेरे सभी तू ही जाने, जितना भी देखूँ दिल भर ना पाए, कैसा समा है हम तुम यहाँ है, ज़ाहिर करूँ क्या है जो मेरे इरादे तेरे हवाले में, इसी बहाने ज़ाहिर करूँ क्या है जो मेरे इरादे. And the second song, Chidiya, it's not trending or anything. It just randomly came in my playlist, and really like the whole message behind it, and it makes me really emotional. I feel the message and the lyrics are very similar to Chiquitita by ABBA. Both are my favorite songs. Chidiya song is about a chidiya, which is practically a girl who has faced some sort of hardships or disappointment in her life, and she is scared to fly again, and this narrator is just telling her that everything is good, everything is nice, you can fly in this video without getting copyrighted. But you have to listen to this song. It has such deep meaning to it. Oh रे चिड़िया ना तुझेरी क्यों ये दुनिया भाए रे, ओरे पंछी क्यों हमेशा बैठी मुंह लटकाए रे, तेरी आंखें जो नम है दिल में जो गम है, छोड़ के सुबह पे गई आँखी, तेरे साथ तेरा मन है, दिल की धड़कन है, आगे बढ़ के जी ले जिंदगी. This is like very emotional song to me personally. I don't know, I relate to this a lot. I'm so sorry for my hideous singing. I don't blame you if you muted this video, but it was necessary to tell you the words to this amazing song. The next thing I was obsessed with this summer was Pakistani songs, especially from the 2000s. The bands, especially Strings. I discovered this band recently. Thank you Spotify for just introducing me to new music all the time. And there are two songs in particular that I really like, Dur and Na Jaane Kyun. I really highly recommend you all to listen to these songs. Then of course there is a Taylor song as well, like Guys, This Is Me. So my favorite Taylor songs this month were Snow on the Beach featuring More Lana Del Rey. That verse blew my mind, like literally R.I.P. me, I died dead. It is so divine, especially in Lana's voice. I already liked the song but not that much, but when I heard this, it's one of my favorite songs on Midnights now. It's also viral on Reels right now. Feels like what I once on a screen. I searched a borealis green. I also really like You're Losing Me. You're Losing Me is not on Spotify or any platforms. It's only on her physical CDs. I think it's her most heartbreaking song so far. She got out of a super duper important relationship of her life. I was really heartbroken. Like, it was a really sad day for me and for a lot of people, because I genuinely believe in their relationship, in their love, but then I realized, what, we don't know them. Like, actually we don't know know their personal lives at all. So I kind of calmed down, and I think if they broke up, it might be for the better, because it adults, and how it looks like from the outside, it's never like that. Like, we don't know these people really. So I was really sad. I was thinking, how will I ever listen to her songs again with the same enthusiasm, knowing that the person she was singing all this for is not in her life anymore, which is so sad. But then I got over it, and then she released You're Losing Me. You're Losing Me, I downloaded it from somewhere, you know. I really don't want to put it in this video because it's actually kind of illegal to put the song out, kind of cute. You know, it's not released anywhere. So what if Taylor Nation actually takes this video down or something? I'm not taking that risk. I would marry me either, pathological people pleaser. Only wanted you to see her, and I'm fading thinking, do something, babe, say something. Lose something, babe, risk something. Choose something, babe, I got nothing to believe unless you're choosing me. If you find this song somewhere, find a drive link or find it on YouTube. Like, do something, find this song and listen to it. Like, it's a blessing. It's beautifully melancholial. I don't know that word, but yeah, it is that. It was just a musical month for me. I kept discovering new and old songs, and I keep listening to songs and music all day long. There are two playlists that I want to share with you. First is Purane Gaane, which has the old songs from 60s, 70s, 80s. I love them. Then there is this playlist called Calm, which is also old new songs mix and ghazals. I can listen to when I'm, you know, silent. I feel like staying alone quietly, and I just play those songs, and it just makes me very calm, happy, quiet vibe. And those are my music favorites. Now coming to the last part of this video, that is my favorite TV show, movie, or whatever. I hadn't watched a K-drama in a long time. Actually, the last K-drama that I watched was 2521, that I left at episode 13 because I was too pissed. I actually tried watching Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. That also I left because I went on a trip and then never came back to it. But recently I watched this drama called The Glory on Netflix, and it features Song Hye Kyo, which you might know from Descendants of the Sun, which is an absolutely amazing drama as well. The Glory is about a woman who was bullied extremely in school. Like, South Korea bullying problem is a real thing, and I don't think that was all fiction. Like, it was brutal. It's not just bullying, it was brutal. They obliterated that girl, ruined her life. Then in her 40s she kind of tries to take revenge on them. It's not a murder mystery, but it's how all these people one by one get their karma and how she takes revenge from everyone. It's very interesting to watch. I actually finished it in 2 days. I was so hooked. Everyone has done brilliant acting. It's not your average K-drama with laid back or romantic scenes or whatever. Nothing like that. It's like a explicit kind of show, and very fast paced also. Like, no dragging or anything. I highly recommend you all to watch this drama, like, really. Sadly, that is the only show that I watched. I watched a movie called Adi Purush, and I don't want to comment on it, but I watched it in theaters a few weeks back, and I left my sunglasses in the theater, so that's a bad memory for me. Like, I don't want to talk about it. They were really expensive and very new. I literally don't watch anything. I'm just either on social media or I'm listening to music or I'm editing my stuff. That's it. That's my life right now. On that note, if you have any new shows or K-dramas you want to suggest, then please write them down in the comments. I might watch it. I'm also watching Boys Over Flowers lately in my gym, because when I'm on treadmill or the elliptical, it's just so tiring. I need to watch something, so that's why I'm watching Boys Over Flowers. This is my third time watching Boys Over Flowers, by the way. Nothing special. I just wanted to share this information for no reason. And that is the end of this video. These are my June favorites. I listed everything that I loved about this month. Let me know if you like this video and if you took any of my suggestions, and please leave a like on this video if you did like it, and please consider pressing the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you on next weekend. Till then, take care. Bye. This is me taking a leave from you guys. I am going now, and see you soon. I go back to my YouTube channel again.